Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got one of these mystery models. So I don't know what's inside. It's gonna be one of the cars you see on the package. And this might be a Mini. This looks like a Skyline or some other casting. I don't know. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So let's see what's inside. It's a Mini. You've got the card that says Hotwheels 03 Morris Mini. Let's see, how does the car look? Well, it's your standard Mini, which Hot Wheels released I think a long time ago now. But I like the color, it's different, it's green. Let's start from the front. Well, I was wrong saying it's standard Mini, it's actually a custom Mini. So you can see like it's wider than normal. Also, you can see something poking out of the hood or bonnet. That means it's customized, has more power, maybe a bigger engine. Headlamp, turn indicators, nothing is detailed, but you can see bolt-on wheel flares here, wheel arches. A checkered pattern on the roof, which surprisingly is in black and white. It's green and green. Now coming to the driver's side, interior is done in brown, and if you see on the sides, number 3 LWC Racing, Hot Wheels, and Real-Man, I think. It's a classic Mini though, like the older one, so it's smaller than what you see now. Coming to the back, again, no major details here. You can see the tail lamp, you can see the fuel filler cap, the twin exhaust, number plate, like place for the number plate, but again those are not detailed. And passenger side looks almost identical. This is how it looks from the bottom. And if we can see, it says 2014 metal. So overall, well, I'm happy to get this rather than getting some of those, fancy fantasy casting. This looks better anyway. So not disappointed. And I think I've got one of these Minis, but not in this color. So again, a win-win. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day.